Ready to rock it and finally take control of your automation? Ditch those capped, boring workflows. We're talking high-value, low-cost N8N with Hostinger VPS hosting, and I've got a deal that's honestly enjoyable to set up. The lineup? The awesome KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8 plans. Here's the useful hot tip. My link gives you a rocking 20% off. That's double the normal discount. How? Automatic coupon codes. I've dropped them all in the description, sorted by your country. Go grab yours. The steps are a breeze and weirdly calming to follow. Click your code, hit Hostinger, tap Services, and find Self-Hosted N8N. Pick your plan, KVM2 is my jam, and boom, 20% off at checkout. Super informative warning. Go for the longest plan duration. Trust me, renewals are no joke.
Without the crazy
One
cost.
inspiring
Now
move.
get in there,
Use a brand new email to
and go
unlock this
automate
deal.
all the
It's
things.
life-changing automation without the crazy cost. Now get in there, grab your discount, and go automate all the things.